Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss parts of a plant, their functions. Open your books, page number 60.
Hello, teacher. I am Turkey Bandar.
Hello, Turki Bandar. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, open your book, page number 60.
Okay. Teacher, page what?
You can see the page on screen.
What? السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا زميلي صالح الحارثي.
Hello.
السلام عليكم استمع اسمه تشلو. السلام
Alaikum
عليكم السلام
salam.
عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد الرحمن الصباح.
Hello, Abdurrahman Somali.
السلام عليكم يا عبد الغني.
Hello, Abdul Ghani.
في
Okay, here we have how do plants take in water. يعني كيف مويه دخل في البلانت.
أستاذنا عمار سليمان خدادي.
Hello Amar. Describe how plants take in water through their roots. So here you can see the answer as well, that plants take in water through their roots, and how the water moves through the stem. This is what we will discuss. Roots have tubes that carry water around the plant. Here you can see roots, and there are tubes or root hairs, you can say. Hello, Battal. They take water through their root hairs or tubes. Why is water important for plants or for a plant? Okay. How does the plant get its water? Okay, you will write here. Thank you so much. Okay, brother. Why is water important for the plant? To make food. Okay. This is one of the reasons. To make food, they need water. And the other question is, how does the plant gets its water? From soil, through roots. Okay, that's what you will write here. Plants get their water from the soil and they do this through its roots. Some roots have small hairs. The water passes through the root hairs to a tube like what? Like this. Look, these are hairs. So the water comes from the soil, enters from the root hairs, and then this is the tube in which they will take through tubes and water goes up to tube in the root, which takes the water in the stem and then to the leaves. Look at the pictures showing small root hairs. This is, here you can see in this picture, small root hairs. فهمت? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. On the other hand, we have on the diagram, this is your homework as well. Okay, you will write this with me now. Okay, here we have on the diagram draws arrows to, here you can see arrow. Look, a small arrow, red. To show route of the water travel, that water travels through the water, one arrow has been done for you. Complete the diagram by labeling the different parts of the plant. Okay, so how can we draw arrows? You can see water comes from the roots, okay, then goes up from here. You will draw arrows like this, and it goes into the leaves like this, and then the other parts. That's how you will make arrow. Okay, then this part is called what? Huh? What is this part called?
Flower.
Flower.
Flower. Leaves.
Very good. Flower, yeah.
Flower. Flower.
Thank you, Alex.
Yes,
Flower.
flower. Very good. This part, which is longer part. Taweel. Stem. Very nice. Not stem. Stem. On the other side, leaf. Or we say leaves. Yes, the last one. Roots. Very nice. Thank you so much. So last part is called roots. Okay, here we have to choose. Roots are important to a plant or to plants. Okay, read the list and tick the two things that roots do. Two things that roots do. Okay, number one is keep the plant secure in the ground, make food, get water from the soil, give the plants its color, or get energy from the sun. Before we do this, we have to move on this. Here you can see just okay, let me write and capture, and then I will explain. Roots do what? Roots, they keep the plant secure in the ground. Yes, take this one. Make the food? No. Roots don't make the food. This is wrong. Get water from the soil? Yes, this is right. Get the plants its color? No. Get energy from the sun? No. This one is right. Roots keep the plant secure in the ground and get water from the soil. These two are the functions for tasks for the roots. Okay, now we will move towards the worksheet. Here you can see parts of a plant and their functions. This upper part of the plant is called root system. Okay, a shoot system. Here you can see the name. And tahat, yani taht al-arz, that is called shoot system. Underground system is called root system. Okay, so first of all, there is flower. What does the flower do? Flower helps in reproduction. It secures the seeds, makes the seeds, produces the seeds. Then leaf. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, what is photosynthesis? Who will tell me? Anyone? Photosynthesis is a process in which, yes, Safwan.
البناء الضوئي.
Sorry, again.
البناء الضوئي.
in English, please. What does it mean? It's mean photosynthesis means the process in which plants make their food. That is called photosynthesis. Okay. This is, I think this we read yesterday. Let me check. Yes, look here on page number 59, we read about photosynthesis. Shuf, maktub. For photosynthesis to happen, the plant to need carbon dioxide and air from the ground. This we did it now yesterday. You forgot? That is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants make their food. Don't forget. Okay, Safwan, got it? And all of the others.
Yes.
Okay, all others. Fruit protects the seed. Protects the seed. Seeds are inside the okay. Seeds are inside the fruit, right? So they are protected inside. There are maybe a lot of seeds, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or maybe more. So they are protected inside the seed, inside the fruit. Then we have stem. Stem does what? Stem supports the plant. This is called stem, this part, this longer part, taller part, that is called stem. So stem supports the plant. Upper ground, not lower ground, underground. Underground roots hold the plant. What does the roots do? Root absorbs water and minerals. What does the root do? Absorbs water and minerals from the soil. As we discussed in our book, the water is absorbed like this. Okay, that's how we made arrows in our book, right? This is not on the page, yeah. This is worksheet. The water comes from the soil because you put water here on the mud, on the soil. It goes down and then through the roots, it goes inside the plant stem and distributed in leaves and fruit and flowers and all other parts of the plant. That's how we make arrows in our book as well. Water comes from the soil, enters in the roots through root hairs, and then into the stem and goes in all the parts of a plant. Any questions about this?
No.
Okay, that's good.
No.
Okay, thank you so much.
No. And no.
Okay, no. Next worksheet is about parts of a plant and their tasks. Okay, roots, flower, stem, fruit, leaf. These are the parts, names. You will do this. Okay, this is your homework. You will do this and send me. Tayyib? This part I will do it for you.
Teacher,
Number one is
this it is my
yes, I will
homework,
send
my
today.
teacher. Is it
Yes,
easy?
I will
Is
send
it
this.
easy? Is it easy?
Yeah, it will
It's
be.
easy, my.
Yes.
Easy.
Okay, number one is roots, then stem, then leaf, then fruits. Roots, there are some options you have to match. It holds up the plant, holds the plant in place, it holds the seeds, it makes food for the plant. Okay, who will tell me?
It makes food for
Roots do what?
Roots.
Roots hold the plant in place. Roots hold the plant in
Hold the
place.
plant and the place.
Stem, it holds up
Then
the
it holds
plant.
up the plant.
Yes, very nice. Leaf. Leaf makes
السلام عليكم.
the
معك
food
فيصل
for
خالد.
the plant.
Make food. Make
Yes, very nice. Thank you so much. And fruit
السلام عليكم.
holds the seeds.
hold the seed.
Thank you so much, Turki Bandar and Battal Mansoor. Thank you so much.
You're
It
welcome.
holds the seed and the other part, which is called stem, it holds up the plant. Roots hold the plant in place. Leaf makes the food and fruit holds the seeds. Yes,
السلام
فيصل.
عليكم. معك فيصل خالد.
وعليكم السلام فيصل. مرة تأخير يا حبيبي.
ده الصفحة كم؟
This is not page, this is worksheet, this one. But we
Yes,
did the
this
page.
is worksheet.
Yeah, we did page number 61. We did this page 61. This is also easy. Parts of the plants and tasks for the roots.
Yes, it's true.
Okay, so here, Faisal, for you, roots keep the plant secure in the ground. You will tick and get the water from the soil. These two are tick. Rest of others are crossed.
Teacher, do you have homework?
Yes, I will send worksheet. Yeah, I will send worksheet, my brother, now in your group. This one, as I
Teacher.
told you, this one. This one, I will send this, okay?
Okay. Teacher.
This is for Faisal only because he came now. He came late. So I am just telling him this part. Done, Faisal?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Yes, Abdurrahman Muhammad.
In the group.
Let me write your names. Okay, great.
Teacher.
Yes. Asil Abdulaziz Maujud. Okay. Ahmed Ashraf. Ahmed Ashraf.
I'm done.
Okay, thank you. Ahmed Ashraf is not present, right? Yani absent. I will write his name. Let me write.
Teacher, you send the sheet in the group.
Yes, I will send. Okay, after Ahmed Ashraf, Aus Ahmed Maujud. Are you there? Aus Ahmed. Okay, after Aus Ahmed, Basil. Basil, are you there?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, Basil and Hayaf. Okay. Then we have Battal Hatim and Battal Mansoor. Both are there. Turki Bandar, Turki Abdullah.
Yes, I'm there.
Turki Abdullah, موجود? Turki
Ustad Samir موجود.
Abdullah. You are Ustad Tamir? Turki Abdullah is not there, right? Okay. Then we have Tamir is there. Huzaifa, are you there? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Hussam. Yes, he is there. Rashid. Okay. Saud Nasir.
Yes, teacher. I am Rashid. Yes, teacher. I am Rashid.
Okay,
I am
Saud.
Rashid.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rashid.
I am
The
Rashid.
one is there. Abdurrahman Hatim and
I
Nasiri.
am Rashid.
Thank you, Rashid. Okay.
Teacher.
Yes, Hayaf.
I am Yamin. I am
Yes, Hayaf. Open your mic. Please, Yamin, wait.
اللي تحضر يطلع.
Aywa Habibi. Okay. Thank you so much. Then we have Abdurrahman Hatim and Nasiri. موجود? Abdurrahman Hatim and Nasiri.
يعني يمديني
Okay,
يطلع.
okay. Okay, okay, okay.
يمديني يطلع.
Yes, you can leave, no problem. Abdurrahman Usman An-Namari.
يعني يمديني أطلع بعد ما تحضرني.
Abdurrahman An-Namari. Thank you, Rashid. Okay, and An-Namari is there. Okay, I saw.
Teacher,
Then we
I
have
can get
Abdurrahman
out.
Muhammad. موجود? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher, yes.
Abdulaziz Muhammad Al-Harsi. Abdulaziz Al-Harsi. Okay, after Abdulaziz Al-Harsi, there is Abdul Ghani. Okay, Abdullah Salim. Okay, Azam. أيوة أنا عارف. Okay. Azam is there. Okay. Amma Sulaiman is there.
teacher.
Fahad Faisal. Fahad Faisal, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Then Faisal Khalid. Okay. Hayaf. Okay.
Yeah.
Yamin. Okay. So let me. Yeah, Habibi, just a second. Let me just repeat. Let me repeat. We have absentees, yani غايبين أحمد أشرف, أوس أحمد, تركي عبد الله, عبد العزيز الحارثي. أي عاد موجود كلم الآن. Tell me now if you are there. Okay. So this is, I will send the homework now in your group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, goodbye. I love you, teacher.